मैं खुद ही
करेक्ट।
अफोर्ड करना चाहती हूँ, तो इट्स दैट बहुत इजी चैप्टर है। आप रीड करके रखना, बट लाइक यू जस्ट गिव इट अ रीडिंग। ओके, गेविन मैक्सवेल लिव्स इन अ कॉटेज इन कैमिसफेर्ना and in the West Highlands in Scotland when his dog Johnny died. So earlier he had a dog named Johnny. Maxwell was too sad to think of keeping a dog in it because obviously he was afraid that whether he should go for another dog or not because of attachment, because he lost his dog. Okay, but life without a pet was lonely, so he had a different plan. Okay. Okay, now starting with the chapter. Early in the new year of 1956, I traveled to southern Iraq. Okay, you have to remember the places which you're talking about. By then, it had crossed my mind that I should like to keep another otter instead of a dog. Now, otter, you should just see, I'll just show it on screen. It is an semi-aquatic mammal in the weasel family. That is not to be learned. So basically, you should know that it's a mammal, semi-aquatic mammal. I'll show images. These are otters, okay?
है तो क्यूट वैसे।
हाँ, seems to be cute. Otter origin भी देख लेते हैं कहाँ का होता है ये.
एंड दे लव टू प्ले विद इन वाटर।
Yes, 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 yes. वो सब आएगा अभी. So common originated from a common ancestor vessel family. The lineage diverted about 2 million. Okay. Eurasia. So these types of places. Okay. That is nothing to be done. Okay. I traveled to southern Iraq. By then, it had crossed my mind that I should like to keep an otter instead of a dog, and that Camisferna. What is Camisferna?
इट्स अ प्लेस इन
Place.
स्कॉटलैंड।
Yes. Ringed by water, ringed by water, a stone's throw from its toe would be an eminently suitable spot for this experiment. Which experiment is he talking about?
फॉर बाइंग एन ऑटर।
Yes.
दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट।
Yes. And a stone's throw का मतलब क्या होता है? बहुत short distance. When I casually mentioned this to a friend, so he mentioned his plan of keeping an otter instead of a pet to his friend. He as casually replied that I had better get one in the Tigris marshes. It's the name of marshes. So उसके friend ने क्या suggest करा कि you can, if you want to own an otter, you can go for Tigris marshes. For there, they were as common as mosquitoes. मतलब वो कह रहे हैं कि Tigris marshes is the place from where you should adopt an otter because it is a hub for otters. ओके, हब मतलब जैसे वो कह रहे हैं इतने कॉमन है जैसे कि मच्छर होते हैं एक जगह कॉमन, इतनी कॉमनली आपको मिल जाएंगे. And were often tamed by the Arabs. What is the meaning of tamed?
टेंड। डोमेस्टिकेटेड। डोमेस्टिकेटेड।
Yes, very good. Domesticated by the Arabs. We were going to Basra to the consulate general to collect and answer our mail from Europe. So they were expecting a mail from Europe and they were going to collect that mail. At the consulate general, we found that my friend's mail had arrived, but not mine. तो ये मेरे फ्रेंड का मेल आ गया था, हम दोनों वेट कर रहे थे, बट मेरा मेल अभी तक नहीं आया था. I cabled to England, and when 3 days later nothing had happened. What is the meaning of cabled? Sent a
टेलीग्राम।
message by telegraph. Telegraph. Okay. 3 days later, nothing had happened. I tried to telephone वगैरह कुछ response ही नहीं आया. मैंने 3 दिन वेट भी करा and then I had to telephone them. The call had to be booked 24 hours in advance. So the call was not easy to make at that time. On the first day, the line was out of order. On the second, the exchange was closed for a religious holiday. On the third day, there was another breakdown. So basically, तीनों दिन कुछ ना कुछ होता रहा, because of which there was no connectivity that he was waiting for. He was waiting for some kind of mail, but he did not get any response, and the reasons are mentioned. First day क्या हुआ था? Line out of order थी, so there was connectivity issue. Second day, exchange was closed, religious holiday थी, तो बंद था, national holiday थी. Last थर्ड डे अनदर ब्रेकडाउन. ब्रेकडाउन का मतलब क्या होता है? एक और प्रॉब्लम थी, वो मेंशन नहीं है यहाँ. माई फ्रेंड लेफ्ट एंड आई हैड अरेंज टू मीट हिम इन अ वीक्स टाइम. उसने कहा कि मैंने अपने फ्रेंड को भेज दिया. ही लेफ्ट एंड देन वी डिसाइडेड दैट वी मीट आफ्टर अ वीक. 5 days later, my mail arrived. I carried it to my bedroom to read, and there, squatting on the floor, squatting मतलब फ्लोर पे बैठ के, in a squat position, were two Arabs. Beside them lay a sack that squirmed from time to time. There was a sack. sack समझ रहे हो, बोरी.
हाँ, उसके अंदर ऑटर था.
हाँ, yes. And there squatting on the floor were two Arabs. बिसाइड देम, एक उनके मतलब बिल्कुल साथ में जो दो अरब्स, इनके बिल्कुल साइड में एक सैक था, बोरी थी. और उसमें ना वो स्वर्म कर रही थी, सॉरी, स्वर्म मतलब मूविंग हेयर एंड देयर, बिकॉज उसमें ऑटर था. दे हैंडेड मी द नोट फ्रॉम माई फ्रेंड, हेयर इज योर ऑटर. ठीक है, तो उसने ऑटर अपना जो मंगवाया था वो उसके पास आ गया था. एनी डाउट स्टिल हेयर, टिल वन पार्ट? I'll give you summary after this so as to revise, and I will give you question answers also after I'm done with explanation. Okay? Squirmed is twisted about. With the opening of that sack began a phase of my life that has not yet ended and may, for all I know, not end before I do. It is in effect a thaltrum to otters, and otter fixation that I have since found to be shared by most of the people. This is nothing of use, so you can skip this paragraph if you want. The creature that emerged from this sack, यहाँ से important है, on that spacious tiled floor. Spacious मतलब बहुत जगह थी, बहुत ज्यादा खुला एरिया था जहां पे मैंने उसको रिसीव करा. Tiled floor मतलब टाइल्स थी फ्लोर पे. Tiled floor of the consulate bedroom resembled most of all very small medievally conceived dragon. Dragon, किसको कह रहे हैं वो ड्रैगन?
Otter
ऑटर.
को, like
Yes.
basically initially author thought that the otter was kind of a medievally conceived
Medieval.
dragon की तरह उसने
हाँ, मिडिल एज
imagine
जैसे
किया.
होते थे ना एनिमल्स, ड्रैगन, तो उसने मतलब ही वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट हिम फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव.
What is ऑटर फिक्सेशन?
फिक्सेशन मतलब फीलिंग, उससे अटैच हो जाना. जैसे माई, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ ऐसे माई माइंड इज फिक्सेटेड ऑन दैट ड्रेस, मतलब मैंने वो ड्रेस देखी, मैंने बाय नहीं करी, बट माई माइंड इज स्टिल फिक्सेटेड देयर कि मुझे लेनी है वो. ठीक है, मतलब वही है, अटैच हो गया है, दिमाग वहीं जा रहा है आपका बार बार. Tip of the tail, he was coated with symmetrical pointed scales of mud armor, between whose tips was visible a soft velvet fur like that of a chocolate brown mole. He shook himself, and I half expected a cloud of dust, but in fact, it was not for another month that I managed to remove the last of the mud and see the otter. मतलब जब उसका फर्स्ट लुक आया ऑटर का, इट वॉज फुल ऑफ मड. उसकी टेल से लेके उसके हेड तक ऑल मडी. एंड वो कह रहा है कि जब उसने फर्स्ट शुक करा अपना टेल, मुझे लगा थोड़ी बहुत डस्ट आएगी, उसके बाद ठीक हो जाएगा. बट देन इन अ मॉकिंगली वे ही सेइंग दैट इट टुक अ मंथ, नियरली अ मंथ, टू सी द फुल व्यू ऑफ माई ऑटर. मतलब वो इट वॉज फुल ऑफ मिट्टी, क्योंकि वो मार्शियस लैंड में था. ठीक है, टिग्रिस मार्शियस, मार्शियस इज फुल ऑफ क्ले मडी सॉइल. तो पूरा चिपका हुआ था, मतलब ही वॉज टोटली कवर्ड विद मड. राइट?
यस.
ये समझ आ गया ना? उसके
हम्म.
बॉडी पे फर भी था, चॉकलेट बाउल मोल भी था. तो उसको, बट उसका ट्रू कलर बाद में ही दिखा. मैनेज टू रिमूव ऑल द लास्ट ऑफ द मड, सी दे हैव रिटन मड हियर. मार्शियस से था ना वो, इसलिए इट वाज मडी, फुल ऑफ मड, कवर्ड विद मड. एंड सी द ऑटर एज इट वर इन इट्स, मतलब एक ओरिजिनल जो मैं उसको देख पाया वो एक मंथ के बाद ही देख पाया. क्लियर?
हम्म.
Now he gave his otter a name that was Midgebill. As I called, the otter was in fact of a race previously unknown to science. मतलब वो ऐसी रेस को बिलोंग करते हैं जो साइंस को पता ही नहीं था. And was at length christened by zoologist Lutrogale Persipilicita Maxwell, or Maxwell's otter. This is nothing. For the first 24 hours, Midgebill was neither hostile nor friendly. ना ही वो अनफ्रेंडली हो रहा था और ना ही वो फ्रेंडली हो रहा था. मतलब उसे भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि वो कहाँ आ गया, किन लोगों के बीच में आ गए. He was simply aloof. Aloof means alone. You can write down. And indifferent. Indifferent मतलब उसे किसी चीज का फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था. नॉट फीलिंग एनीथिंग. जैसे कहते हैं ना, शी इज अ वेरी इनडिफरेंट गर्ल, मतलब उसको असर ही नहीं होता किसी भी चीज का. चूजिंग अ स्लीप ऑन द फ्लोर एज फार from my bed as possible. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, जितनी दूर वो ऑथर के बेड पे ढूंढ सकता था जगह. तो basically what does it show? That even animals take time to adjust to a new environment, and he was trying to stay as aloof as possible. The second night, Mitchell came onto my bed in the small hours and remained asleep in the crook of my knees until the servant brought tea in the morning. And during the day, he began to lose his apathy and take a much too keen interest in his surroundings. ठीक है, मतलब सेकेंड डे उसने देखा उसके बेड पे आया. हाँ,
apathy means
वेयर इज इट?
absence of interest. ठीक है. Okay.
कहाँ पे लिखा है ये? एपथी. अच्छा,
Uh,
एपथी यू वर सेइंग. हाँ, मतलब किसी वो जो डिसइंटरेस्ट हमने भी पढ़ा था ना, इनडिफरेंट, दैट इज एपथी ओनली, किसी चीज से फर्क ना पड़ना. Asleep in the crook of my knees, and this is began to lose his apathy and take a much too keen, मतलब बहुत keen हो गया वो एकदम से, मतलब he wanted to know things, he was curious now. I made a body belt for him and took him on a lead to the bathroom, where all half an hour went wild with joy in the water, plunging and rolling in it, shooting up and down the length of bathtub underwater. मतलब पूरे bathtub में he was playing here and there just like a child, and making enough slosh and splash. मतलब छींटे उछालना, slosh and splash. It's a term for a hippo. This I was to learn is a characteristic of otter. प्लीज अंडरलाइन, ये मतलब ये सारी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है. एवरी ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर मस्ट बी, सो टू स्पीक, एक्सटेंडेड एंड स्प्रेड अबाउट द प्लेस. मतलब एक एक बूंद इतनी दूर दूर तक जा रही थी कि मैं आपको क्या बताऊं, मतलब इट वाज स्प्लैशिंग एवरीथिंग अराउंड. अ bowl must, every drop of water must, okay, extended about this. A bowl must at once be overturned, or if it is not overturned, be sat in and splashed in until it overflows. Water must be kept on the move and made to do things. When static, it is wasted and provoking. ये सिर्फ एक उन्होंने ना मजाक में बोली चीज कि पानी उछालने के लिए तो होता है. वाटर इज meant to be played with. अगर वो स्टेटिक मतलब
And like just like a child ki when a small child is there, तो mamas used to like keep those buckets upside down. तो same goes यहाँ पर bathtub भी उन्होंने upside down रख रखा था, जिससे कि otter बार बार वापस splash नहीं करे water.
स्प्लैश ना करे. एंड देन एट द सेम टाइम ही इज सेइंग दैट वाटर अगर है तो उसका पर्पस यही है कि उससे खेला जाए. मतलब इट इज व्हेन स्टेटिक इज वेस्टेड एंड प्रोवोकिंग. प्रोवोकिंग मतलब जब वो स्टिल वाटर होगा तो वो सामने वाले को प्रवोक करेगा. प्रवोक मतलब उकसाएगा कि ये पानी ऐसे क्यों है, मतलब समझ रहे हो.
hmm.
Causing anger or some other reaction, provoking. See, this is an image of otter that they've given. Pari, read third this page. 2 days later. अभी तक 2 days हुए थे, आपको ना एक एक डे का यू शुड नो अ लिटिल क्रक्स कि फर्स्ट डे क्या हुआ था, सेकंड डे क्या हुआ था. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द थर्ड डे.
Should
प्लीज.
I start?
यस यस.
Yeah. So the 2 day.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Hmm.
2 days later, Mitchell escaped from my bathroom and I entered it, and I turned to see his tail disappearing around the bed of the corridors that led to the bathroom. By the time I got there, he was up on the end of the bathtub and fumbling at the chromium taps with his paws. I watched, amazed. In less than a minute. He had turned the tap far enough to produce a trickle of water, and after a moment or two, achieved the full flow. He had been lucky to turn the tap the right way. On later occasion, he would sometimes screw it up still tightly, chittering with irrigation and um, disappointed at the tap's failure to cooperate. Very soon, Mitchell would follow me without a lead and come to me when I call his name.
Wait.
He spent most of
क्रोमियम
the time.
टैप्स का मतलब क्या हुआ? क्रोमियम मीन्स अ मटेरियल. By the
Yeah,
time I got there, he was up on the end of the bathtub and fumbling at the chromium taps with his mother. He was trying to turn on and off with his paws. Yes, continue.
very soon, Mitchell would follow me without a lead and come to me when I called his name. He spent most of his time in play. He spent hours shuffling a rubber ball around in the room like a
You have to
four-footed
remember
stalker.
these things. You have to remember and learn these details in this chapter. कि वो क्या क्या करता था third day. What all was playful for him. How did he adjust to the surroundings and what all he started doing in the surrounding. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. So first and second page, nothing to be learned major. This page you should learn. Yes, continue.
Using all 4 feet to dribble the ball, and he could also throw it with a powerful flick of the neck to a surprising height and distance. But the real play of an otter is when he lies on his back and jungles with small objects between his paws. Marbles were Mid's favorite toy for his pastime. He would lie on his back, rolling 2 or more of them up and down his flat, bla- uh, flat belly without ever dropping one to the ground.
Hmm. I think nothing to be explained here. Anything you want me to explain? उसका favorite movement वो कौन सा describe कर रहे हैं? What is like, what was his favorite
He lie on his
Playing
back.
with balls and marbles.
And fumble का मतलब क्या होता है? खेलना चीजों से.
Hmm.
And
And he also loves rubber ball like a 4-footed
Mitch's
soccer
favorite
player.
toys for his pastime, marbles. You should remember this. He would lie on his back, rolling 2 or more of them. ये तो हमने करा अभी. Flat belly without ever dropping onto the other. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? मतलब
कि वो मार्बल को कभी नीचे नहीं गिरना देता था अपने बेली से.
yes, yes. So he was very expert in his skill. अगर skills की, उसके activity की, playfulness की बात आएगी, you will be writing this page. Let's move to the part 3 of this chapter. But it is about to be over. चलो, Palak, read.
So the days passed peacefully at Basra, but I dreaded the
Dreaded मतलब
prospect.
डरना.
हाँ, but I
Prospect means
dreaded the
idea. I was dreaded
pros
at the prospect of going to
of
London.
transporting Midge to England and to Camisferna. The British
Now wait,
airline to
now wait.
London.
Now, अभी वो कौन सी कंट्री में था? Who will tell me?
अभी वो इराक में था ना?
Yes. And Basra is in Iraq. Okay. Now, अब जो सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट आएगा चैप्टर का, हाउ टू ट्रांसपोर्ट.
मैप
हाँ
वो अभी जो बसरा है दैट इज इन इराक, तो वो इराक में था बट अब उसे
हाँ
लंदन या कैमिसफरना
अब वो उधर
ट्रैवल
जाएगा
करना
ना
था
वो
ना.
वापस. हाँ
हाँ,
नाउ ही विल बी ट्रैवलिंग. तो यही एक टास्क रहेगा कि वो मिजेबल को एयरलाइंस में कैसे लेके जाएगा.
कैसे लेके जाएगा. हाँ.
यस. ओके.
So the British airline to London would not fly
Fly
animals.
animals means he would not allow
Hmm.
animals to
So
fly.
I So I booked a flight to Paris on another airline and from there to London. The airline
That means
insisted that
he could not book a direct flight, so he had to go for a layover. Layover का मतलब फ्लाइट्स में
hmm,
क्या होता है जब आप एक जगह रुक के अपनी फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंचते हैं. ठीक है. यस.
the airline insisted that Midge should be packed into a box not more than 18-inch square to be carried on the floor at my feet. I had a box made, and an hour before we started, I put Midge into the box so that he would become accustomed to it and left for a hurried
इसका
meal.
मतलब क्या हुआ? उसने 1 घंटा पहले ही मिर्च को पैक कर
उसको
दिया बॉक्स
बॉक्स
में
के अंदर डाल दिया था
ताकि वो
जिससे कि वो
अकस्टम हो
कंफर्टेबल हो
जाए.
जाए.
अकस्टम मीन्स टू गेट कंफर्टेबल विद द सराउंडिंग्स.
Hmm. So when I returned, there was an appealing spectacle. हाँ, appealing
अपीलिंग नहीं,
spectacle.
appalling. Appalling.
Appalling.
Appalling.
Appalling spectacle.
Shocking.
There was
Appalling का मतलब क्या होता है? Shocking.
Shocking.
Like.
ठीक है. Appalling skeptical. There was complete silence from the box, but from its air holes and shinks around the lid, blood has trickled and dried. I wiped off the lock and tore open the lid, and Mitch, exhausted and blood shattered, whimpered and caught at my leg. He had torn the lining of the box to shredded when I removed the last of it so that there was no cutting edges left. It was just 10 minutes until the time of the flight, and the airport was 5 mile distant. I
Sorry?
put the missile.
Wait. What was happening now?
So basically, they're saying that as he packed that Mitch 1 hour prior, now he was all he got feared, and he started tearing the lining of the box to his shirt. Basically, he hurt himself, and that is how blood was coming out from the box.
Okay.
And when he removed the last of it so that there was no cutting edges, it was just 10 minutes until the time of the flight, and the airport was 5 minutes distance because उसमें इतना खून हो गया था और फ्लाइट भी उसको लेनी थी इसलिए.
Mitch back
Hmm.
into the box holding down the lid with my hand. I sat in the back. अब now उसको वो पूरा पैक नहीं कर पा रहा था. Basically, he was not able to lock him because he saw the behavior of Mitch when he
हाँ.
tried to
So
pack it
sat
again. Hmm.
I sat in the back of the car with the box beside me as the
मतलब
driver told.
sorry to interrupt. After completing this paragraph, we will explain me this paragraph and next Pari will read. Okay, this one. Yes.
Hanji. So I sat in the back of the car with the box beside me as the driver tore through the streets of Barsa like a recruiting bullet. The aircraft was waiting to take off. I was rushed through it to it by infuriated officials. Luckily, the seat booked for me was at the extreme front. I covered the floor around my feet with newspapers, rang for the air hostess, and gave her a parcel of fish for Midge to keep it in a cool place. I took her into my confidence about the event of the last half hours. I have
Hmm.
retained the most profound admiration for that air hostess.
Admiration.
Admiration for that air hostess. She was the very queen of
Now
her
this is
kind.
a very
She
important
suggested.
part of the chapter. ठीक है
Hmm.
मतलब जितना भी chaos मिजबिल ने create कर देखो it is not an easy task to take any pet on any airline because obviously they're not going to sit इंसान जब इंसान और बच्चे ही नहीं बैठ सकते अपनी सीट पे तो एक एक
एंड मैम लाइक
ऑटो
कुछ
से
एयरलाइंस में तो ये भी है ना कि लाइक यू कांट टेक योर पेट ऑन बोर्ड, लाइक वो नीचे लगेज वाली एरिया में होंगे, वो बॉक्स में पैक करके.
नॉट श्योर बट या ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज पैसेंजर्स के साथ कभी भी ट्रैवल नहीं होता है एंड सी even I don't know whether this is true or not because animals cannot be carried unless obviously अगर हम शिफ्ट हो रहे हो मूव हो रहे हो then there has to be a provision कि हाँ हम हमेशा के लिए मैं शिफ्ट हो रही हूँ किसी और कंट्री देन आई हैव टू कैरी माई पेट तो उसके लिए अलग प्रोविजन अलग रूल्स होते हैं राइट
Ma'am, what do you mean by recruiting bullet?
वेयर इज इट
रिक्रूटिंग मीन्स वो, हाँ, तो बेसिकली
A
द
bullet
कैब
which
ड्राइवर
changes
वाज
direction
ड्राइविंग.
after hitting a surface मतलब which moves on keeps on moving
तो ये रिलेट कैसे कर पा रहे हैं ड्राइवर के साथ? मतलब they have written a driver tore through the streets of Basra like a recruiting bullet.
मतलब he changes direction frequently एक बुलेट की तरह इधर उधर इधर उधर like that movement
Okay,
and
ठीक है ठीक.
infuriated means very angry yes
So basically, when he came on that seat, he saw that his seat was in the front, and the front seats are usually very big. We were having basically a good leg space, so he could keep his pet or the otter over there. And he also brought some parcel of fish for the Mitch to eat, and he kept that. And he talked to the air hostess. He took her into the consideration that this all stuff happened with me, so please take care and etc. So
he took her into his confidence मतलब
confidence.
उसका ट्रस्ट जीतने की कोशिश करी
Hmm. She was the very queen of her kind. She suggested that I may prefer to have my pet on my knee, and I would have kissed her hand in the depth of my gratitude. But
ग्रेटिट्यूड मतलब
not
उसको खुश
knowing
करने
or
के लिए
But not knowing Otter, I was quite unprepared for what followed. So basically, the air hostess was very kind. She said that ki you can keep your pet on your lap as well. No, like you should not keep it in that box because the otter is already injured. So you can keep it on a pet on your lap. And then, but the author was not quite prepared. What happened later on
इसका मतलब
in
क्या
the
हुआ कि he finally managed to get permission from the air hostess to keep the pet on his knee with him and travel. But he says कि मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि आगे होने क्या वाला था मेरे साथ. Everyone in the flight, this is next page में ना कुछ ज्यादा नहीं है तो I'm explaining you. Rat one, I am sharing on screen also. सब चीखने लग गए. People started screaming, a rat, a rat. So they were, because obviously no one knew that that particular animal was called an otter.
मैम बट वो नीचे कैसे गिरा? वो तो बॉक्स में बंद था
बेटा
ना।
बंद नहीं था, he jumped ना, he just jumped.
हाँ अभी तो बोला है कि यू कैन एयर होस्टेस ने बोला है तुम अपनी लैप पे रख
हाँ,
सकते हो.
तो वो जंप करके चला गया. एंड आई
अच्छा।
मिस, और वो उसको ढूंढा जा रहा है. बट देन एयर हॉस्टेस ने क्या कहा, इट वुड बी बेटर इफ यू resumed your seat. I will find the animal and bring it to you. I returned to my seat. I was craning my neck, trying to follow the hunt. So basically, he was just trying, but he could not find. And Mitch bounded on my knee and began to nuzzle my face and my neck. Nuzzle मतलब रब करने लग गया उसके फेस और नेक को जेंटली.
तो वो खुद ही आ गया था अपने उसके
मतलब
पास।
आना जाना उसको चला जा रहा था. मतलब जैसे होता नहीं है कि वी आर ट्राइंग टू कैच समथिंग एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू.
हम्म।
Midge and I remained in London for nearly a month. He would play for hours and selection of toys, ping pong balls. ये भी page important है for what all he did. Marbles, rubber fruit and a terrapin shell that I had brought back from the native marshes. Marshes से ना उसका एक toy भी लाया था वो. With the ping pong ball, he invented a game of his own which he could engross. अच्छा ये पूरा page जो है ना, it is all about the games he used to play. लंदन में एक महीना जो वो रहा उसने क्या क्या करा. इट दिस पेज इज ऑल अबाउट द गेम्स ही प्लेड. अभी एक पॉइंट आएगा जिसमें वो लगेज को स्लाइड करता था, ऊपर ऊपर जाता था, नीचे जाता था लगेज को यूज करके. ओके रीड पलक.
हाँ जी. So, Midge and I remained in London for nearly a month. He would play for hours with a selection of toys, ping pong balls, marbles, rubber fruits, and a trippin shell that I had bought back from his native marshes. When the ping pong balls with the ping pong balls he invented a game of his own which could keep him engrossed for up to half an hour at a time. A suitcase that I had taken to Iraq had become damaged on the journey home, so that the lid, when closed, remained at a slope from one end to another. Midge discovered that if he placed the ball on the high end, it would run down the length of the suitcase. He would dash around to the other end to abrush its arrival, hide
अब्रश
from it,
एम्बुश।
ambush, ambush its arrival, hide from it,
एम्बुश का मतलब क्या
crouching.
होता है कि एकदम से
अटैक।
झटके से अटैक कर देना, कोई छुपके से. मतलब जैसे हम करते नहीं हैं, छुपे होते हैं, वी आर हिडन समवेयर एंड जस्ट वी जस्ट लाइक बूम ऐसे
मैम
Crouching to
वो
spring up.
पिंक बॉल से कर क्या रहा था उस सूटकेस के ऊपर?
प्ले कर रहा
अरे
था.
वो ऐसा तो
केस को ना स्लाइड
स्लोप
बना
है.
दिया था उसने.
हाँ.
बॉल ऊपर करी नीचे एंड मूविंग अप एंड डाउन द सूटकेस. मतलब जैसे सूटकेस का
अच्छा
लिड.
अपने आप ही कर रहा था मतलब।
हाँ ही वो
अरे यार वो स्लोप है तो
फ्लो.
अगर तुम ऊपर से कुछ
वो
भी डालोगे
खेलने
वो
लग
नीचे तो
गया
आएगा ना.
अच्छा
हाँ.
अच्छा
एज अ
ओके।
स्लाइड, एक स्लाइड की तरह.
ठीक है।
To spring up and take it by surprise, grab it and trough off with it to the high end once more. Outside the house, I exercised him on a lead, precisely as if he had been a dog. तो अब वापस से वो डॉग से कंपेयर पेट से कंपेयर करता था ऑटर को. Mitch quickly developed certain compulsive habits on these walks in the London street, like the rituals of children who, on their way to and from school, must place their feet
टू एंड फ्रो
squarely on the
मतलब आना
center
जाना स्कूल
of
में आते जाते वक्त. हम्म.
center of each paving block, must touch every seventh upright of the iron railing,
हम्म.
or pass to the outside of every second lamppost. Opposite to my flat was a single story primary school. along those front range ran a low wall some 2 feet high
Yes.
on his way home, but never on his way out. Midge would tug me to this wall, jump onto it, and gallop the full length of its third yard to the hopeless destruction both of Puppies and the staff within. मुझे
ये
कुछ
क्या
समझ
हो
में
रहा
नहीं
है?
आया।
हाँ, इस पैराग्राफ में क्या बोला गया है?
ये सारा उसकी प्लेफुल एक्टिविटीज बता रहे हैं कि क्या क्या करता था। ही क्विकली डेवलप्ड सर्टेन कंपल्सिव हैबिट्स, मतलब जो कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहा था मैं, उसकी ऐसी हैबिट्स आ गई एकदम से। लंदन स्ट्रीट्स पे बच्चे आते जाते देखते थे उसको। सेंटर ऑफ पेविंग ब्लॉक मस्ट टच एवरी सेवेंथ अपराइट ऑफ द आयरन, मतलब आयरन रेलिंग्स को टच करते हुए जाना हमेशा। Opposite to my flat was a single storied primary school along whose front range ran a low wall, मतलब एक स्कूल था उसके फ्लैट के सामने, और उसकी ना वॉल थोड़ी लो थी, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा ऊंची नहीं थी। सो ही वुड टग मी टू हिज वॉल, जंप ऑन टू इट एंड गैलप द फुल लेंथ ऑफ इट 30 यार्ड, मतलब वो 30 यार्ड्स की वॉल थी और वो पूरा जंप करता था 30 यार्ड्स तक उस वॉल पे जो फ्लैट के सामने थी। मतलब वो उसकी मिस्टीवियस चीजें बता रहे हैं, दैट हाउ ही डेवलप दीज कंपल्सिव हैबिट्स दैट ही कुड नॉट इवन कंट्रोल। ठीक है वो खेल रहा था, मतलब इट्स अ वेरी प्लेफुल